Lane Stewart, here at the Rebar, Lane 5, Nikolai Blackman, Kansas City. Lane 6, Rafael 1, Cape Anderson, Texas. Lane 7, Ben Charlotte, Texas A&M. And Lane 8, Maxwell, Arizona, Minnesota. Rebar, 1982. He currently is the fourth